Welcome to the lecture on partnership accounting. In this lecture, we will discuss about death of a partner. We have already discussed about admission of a partner, retirement of a partner. Now, in case of death of a partner, the accounting entry or accounting treatment will be similar to accounting entries of retirement of a partner. So, there will be minor changes in accounting treatment. At the time of admission, the incoming partner is called as admitting partner. At the time of retirement, the outgoing partner is called as retiring partner. Admitting or incoming partner, retiring or outgoing partner. In case of death, the partner is called as deceased partner. Now, in case of retirement of a partner, the outgoing partner will take away his part of capital plus his share of profit and loss till the date of retirement plus his share of reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus includes general reserve, capital reserve, reserve fund, etc. Similarly, in case of death of a partner, the legal representative of deceased partner will take away the capital of deceased partner, his share of profit, and reserve and surplus, plus salary or commission payable to deceased partner for extra work done, interest on capital, interest on drawings, or interest on deceased partner's loan. All the adjustment will be done at the time of death of a partner. So, in case of death of a partner, the legal representative or nominee of a deceased partner will take away capital of a deceased partner, his share of profit and loss till the date of death, and his share in reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus is undistributed profit which is reinvested into the business plus salary, commission, or interest on capital, interest on drawings, or interest on loan, whatever applicable to the deceased partner will take away by legal representative of deceased partner, and the remaining partner will continue the business. But for example, if A, B, and C are old partners, and in case of death of a partner C, Mr. A and B will continue the business. But in case there are two partners only, A and B, and in case of death of Mr. B, A cannot continue the partnership business, so the business will shut